Welcome back to all. How's everything? Hope everything is going well. Are you ready for today's class? Yes, today we will begin a new unit. All of you take page number 165. Did you take it? So, what is the name of the unit? Tell me. Yes, Share and Care is the name of the unit. What will be the theme of this unit? Yes, the main theme of this unit is human values. Let's go through an introduction about this unit. This unit is meant to promote human values like sympathy, empathy, compassion, affection, kindness, mercy, helping mentality, citizenship, etc. One should be considerate to the fellow beings and their problems. This unit begins with a titular picture that sensitizes the learner on the need to share and care for the lonely and the suffering. Hope you all understood about the unit. Am I right? Now, shall we move on to the first lesson in this unit? Okay, so all of you take page number 167. Look, what is the title of the first lesson in this unit, Share and Care? Yes, The School for Sympathy is the title of the first lesson. Now, who's the author of the story? Yes, you are right. Edward Vera Lucas is the author of the story The School for Sympathy. Students, shall we go through the profile of the author? Okay, let's go. Edward Vera Lucas was born on 12th June 1868 in London. Famous as an English humorist, essayist, playwright, biographer, publisher, poet, novelist, short story writer, and editor. His notable works are The Face on the Wall, Songs of Bat, A Book of Words for Children, The Book of Shops, etc. He was died on 26th June 1938. Hope you all understood the profile of the author Edward Vera Lucas. All of you read the sentences given just below the title. Schools are centers of learning where we acquire knowledge and share our experiences. Let's visit a school and find out how students learn and share their experiences. Let's go through the short summary of the story, The School for Sympathy. All of you listen attentively. In the story, the author talks about Miss Beam's school, where the children have to undertake an exercise of going through the blind day, lame day, dumb day, and the deaf day to get first hand experiences about the life of the physically challenged people. Experiencing the difficulties of the differently abled can generate empathy and a sense of special responsibility towards them. Hope you all got an idea about the story. Am I right? Now all of you take page number 167 and read the text up to the third paragraph and find out the difficult words also. Students, hope you all read the text. Am I right? Now I'll give you a model reading. I had heard a lot about Miss Beam's school, but I did not get the chance to visit it till last week. When I arrived at the school, I saw a girl of about 12 with her eyes covered with a bandage being led carefully between the flower beds by a little boy of 8. She stopped and asked who it was that had come in, and he seemed to be describing me to her. Then they passed on. Miss Beam was all that I had expected, middle-aged, authoritative, kind, and understanding. Her hair was beginning to turn grey, and her round figure was likely to be comforting to a homesick child. We chatted for a while, and when I asked her some questions about her teaching methods, which I had heard were simple, she said, We teach only those things that are simple and useful to pupils: spelling, adding, subtracting, multiplying, writing, etc. The rest is done by reading to them and giving them interesting tasks. There are practically no other lessons. I have heard so much, I said, about the originality of your system. Miss Beam smiled. Ah, yes, she said. I am coming to that. Students, hope you all identified the difficult words. So, shall we discuss those words and their meanings? Okay, let's go. Bandage. A strip of cloth used to bind a part of the body. Here you can see the picture of bandage. Flower beds. A garden plot in which flowers are grown. Can you see the picture? Yes, this is flower bed. Authoritative means showing that you expect others to obey and respect you. Comforting means giving comfort. Homesick. Sad because one is away from home. Chat, meaning a friendly informal conversation. Hope you all understood the meanings of the difficult words. Students, now I'll give you the explanation. The writer had heard a lot about Miss Beam's school, but he had never visited it. One day he got the opportunity to visit it. On entering the campus, he saw no one except a girl of 12. Her eyes were covered with a bandage. A little boy of about 8 was guiding her between the flower beds in the garden. The girl stopped. She evidently asked her guide about the writer. The boy seemed to describe the writer to her. Then they passed on. The writer went into the building and met Miss Beam, the head of the school. Miss Beam was middle-aged, authoritative, kindly, and understanding. Her hair started turning grey. She was a mother figure for the young boys and girls in the school. The writer asked Miss Beam some questions about her scholastic methods. Miss Beam said that there was not much scholastic education. The boys were taught spelling, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and writing only. The rest was done by reading to them and by lectures. During these, the students had to sit still and quiet. Students, hope you all understood the explanation. Am I right? Students, the continuation of this video will be on the next part, part 1b. So all of you go through that.